We have another snowstorm. Can you see the blowing snow? There's Maya. She loves it. She absolutely loves it. Try to bring her back inside and she won't. Look at the telephone poles swinging. It's crazy. It's beautiful, but it's just a lot of snow. Maya! No. She can't hear me. Oh, but there's Jax. Jax! Two babies. See the snow blowing? That's nuts! We spent 3 hours shoveling last night. 3 hours! We have such a long driveway, and we had to shovel the wraparound porch as well. Yeah. We don't want the snow to get too heavy and damage the porch. So we have a little snow blower that we keep on the porch. That's my little one in the background, my Pomeranian. She's just getting crazy hairballs. See? You see our driveway? It's all white. But yeah, had to use a snowblower for that, and little old me had to shovel the porch and the small trails. But anyways, enjoy, guys, for all you guys that live in tropical climates that don't have to deal with this. Enjoy. You're not missing out a lot. I'm ready to move to Florida. But then my malamutes wouldn't be that happy about it. Have a good one, guys. Bye.